Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is the second vlog on this amazing trip. We camped up at the Great Orme. Steve and Brendan in their vans, me in my red Astra. The stars were amazing, by the way. The stars were absolutely incredible last night. They were stretched all across the sky, and we had the moon till about early hours in the morning. I decided that it was getting a bit cold, so I decided to put the car on for a bit, just so I could get some warmth in the car. And to be fair, apart from having the odd little niggle that you can see just here, I think it was very well stealthed. Honestly, this place is amazing. This place is absolutely amazing. Fair play to Steve for bringing us here. It is about, I think I'm the first one up actually. It is, according to my watch, 6 o'clock in the morning. I didn't get to sleep till about 11, but I'm usually an early starter, and that's probably the main reason, is because of that amazing sunrise, which I doubt the boys have even clocked that we've seen a beautiful sunset, and now I've woken up to a beautiful sunrise. So, you know, you got to be quick. You got to be quick. So what I'm going to do for everybody is that I'm going to put some posts on Instagram of how beautiful this view is, from the sunset to the sunrise this morning. And you can follow me on Exploring with Matti. I'll put the little caption thing below. And now I think, apart from going to annoy the others, I think I'm going to get my walking boots on, I'm going to get my cameras, and I think I'm going to go off for a bit of a walk. How beautiful is this, ladies and gentlemen? How beautiful is this? So, apparently over there in the distance, over there is Birkenhead. There's a few oil rigs over there, I must admit. There's a ship that's just over there. All the ports apparently over there. And all this, I haven't got a clue where all that is, but it's too early. If you're expecting an atlas at 6 o'clock in the morning, you're going to be massively disappointed, I'm afraid. Oh, it's... Sorry to swear, but it takes your freaking breath away, doesn't it? That is amazing. I'm glad I woke up early. The boys are all they're asleep in the car, in the vans. The guy that's in the car can't wait to get up. It'll be different when I get a van. Oh dear, I've released a channel exclusive. Anyway, I'm going to sit here and enjoy this amazing sunrise. How beautiful is this? So I've seen the sunrise now from all the way over there, and I've seen it set over there. What an incredible place. What an incredible place. And there's even a ship over there. It's just, oh, it's insane. I know I feel really cold, and I don't know whether or not it comes across on camera because I've got my snood on. But since the sun has just risen, I've gained a little bit of warmth. I did ring Brendan to come down and have a look at this spectacular view, but I think I did ring him and he said, I'll be out in a minute. Well, he's too late, but how beautiful is that though? Like, how beautiful is that? I'm gonna go back to the car and I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna put the heating on again and chill. So yeah, I shall see you when I'm back at the car. Well, we're back in the car now. That was pretty spectacular. I've got to sort all the bed out, so that's the next job. And then hopefully then we'll be having some food, and then we're going to go off to our next location. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and see if I can perform a time lapse to actually show you just how I actually put that back in. Hopefully it will work. Brendan's got his diesel heater on, the git, and he's also got his time lapse on, so if you guys want to pop over to Brendan's channel, he'll have a different video for today, I'm sure. But yeah, might as well start packing up. So there you go, that's amazing, it's all done. And there you go, it just fits in nicely in the boot. There's the bed, there's the pillow that I've recently procured, a home bargain special, about £8. And yeah, that's it. There's my water and everything else. And there you go. It looks like you can't even see anything, just the partial south. And also just the fact the condensation from the night before. So yeah, all done. So yeah. So you can't even tell that I've slept in it. Well, you probably can, but but yeah. So that's how I turn the car camper into a normal car in about, must be about 30 seconds. It must have been about at least 12 by the time I did the time lapse. So yeah, the time lapse will say 12 minutes. I said about half an hour. But yeah, that's it. So the digital eagle has been up, and we've just managed to get some amazing footage over there. Brendan's doing something for his channel. But it's amazing. We're going to have some breakfast now, and then we're going to head off, and we're going to show you some beautiful beaches today. But yeah, absolutely amazing, it really is. There we are, the sat nav has been set. We're now waiting on Brendan, obviously, and yeah, we're going to leave this amazing location. But yeah, I will definitely be coming back here in a van, hopefully one day. But yeah, absolutely amazing, it really is. Anyway, we're off to our next location, so don't you dare go away. Don't you go away, because honestly, this place we're going to is amazing. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the cinematics and the drone footage, and we'll catch you back on the flip side. After finished camping up at the Great Orme, we decided to head down to the West Beach at Llandudno and admire the beautiful views of Snowdonia. It's beautiful. This reminds me of a stony beach in Norfolk called Salt Houses. And you should know it because that was one of the first videos I did on this channel, and it was also the one video to say that I was back doing YouTube again. But honestly, there's Llandudno in the distance and Rhyls further along down. Isn't that beautiful? After finishing off at Panty Beach, we decided to head our way over to Rhyl.
There we are, boys. But tell you what, we smashed a few destinations this morning, haven't we? Considering we got off at Brenda's Normal, well, it's a bit early for you, isn't it? We walked through the lake of the beach, then we walked through the town.
After finishing at Rhyl, we decided to end our journey at Talakar Beach and see the lone lighthouse. If you did like this video, feel free to leave a like and also subscribe below.